Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y and change in Y. We will also check out the max pain level and PCR and trend cycle for the both the indices. First, we will start with Bank Nifty and check out the closing price. The closing price of Bank Nifty is very near to 22,000, that is 21,977.60 on July 1st. Now we are talking about 2nd July expiry, that is tomorrow's expiry. Now we'll find out the trading range for Bank Nifty, that is highest call and range between the highest call and highest put. Highest call will act as the highest resistance, whereas the highest call will act as the highest resistance, whereas highest put will act as the highest support for Bank Nifty. For finding highest call, we will go through this column and find out where is the highest call. We can see here around 8,23,000 contracts are open at 22,500. So this is going to be the highest call, followed by here 7,53,000 contracts are open at 23,000 strike. So this is going to be the second highest call or resistance for Bank Nifty. And if we see at 22,000 levels, the huge unwinding in call side, here you can see around 2,29,000 contracts are unwind here, and also here huge unwind at 21,500 strike. And you all see from here the all unwinding are over here. So this indicates an bullish sign for Bank Nifty. And however 22,000 is immediate resistance as well, because we have around 5,000 contracts are open over here. So this is going to be the immediate resistance, but the unwinding shows huge bullishness in Bank Nifty. And now here in put side, if we go through this column, we'll find here 8,22,000 contracts are open at 21,000. So this is going to be the key support for the Bank Nifty, and followed by here at 20,500. This is the second highest support for Bank Nifty. And also see this, we can see at 21,500 around 5 lakh contracts are still open over here. So this is going to be the immediate support for Bank Nifty. And also see this column, the huge addition in put side indicates the bullish sign for Bank Nifty over here. And see now this one, the green signals indicates the call buying was there, red put side indicates the put sell was there. So these both are indicating the bullishness in Bank Nifty. Now time to find out the pivot level. Here is the pivot level, 22,000 is the pivot level. Here 5 lakh contracts over here, and here around 2 lakh contracts in this side. This can act as the pivot level for Bank Nifty. Above this, Bank Nifty will try to go towards 22,500 and 23,000. Below this, Bank Nifty will try to test 21,500. The overall range seems to be 21,000 to 23,000. This is going to be the range for the Bank Nifty, keeping the 22,000 as the pivot level for it. So overall on OI, Bank Nifty is bullish. We will also check the trend cycle and max pain and PCR for it. Before that, we will move towards Nifty and check out the closing. The closing of the Nifty is 10,430.05 on 1st July, and we are talking about 2nd July expiry. Now we will find out the highest resistance for Nifty. For that purpose, we will go through this column. Here we can see around 32 lakh contracts are over here at 10,500. So this is going to be the highest resistance. Here we can see 25 lakh 89,000 contracts at 10,600. So this is going to be the second highest resistance for it. And the same story that we have seen in Bank Nifty, here we can also see 10,300 and 10,400 witnessing huge unwinding in call side. This simply indicates the bullishness in Nifty as well. You can see this is all huge unwinding over here. So this is an indication of bullishness for Nifty. Now time to find out the support for Nifty. For that purpose we will go through this. Here we can see at 10,300 the strike. This strike we can see 35 lakh contracts are open, followed by here at 10,000 strike 34 lakh contracts are open, and this is going to be the immediate support. That is 10,400 is going to be the immediate support for the Nifty. So this is the in Nifty, these are the important support. And see here the same as we have seen in Bank Nifty, huge put addition in all strikes. This simply indicates the bullishness for Nifty as well. So and also the LTP, the call buying was there. However, after 10,500 we can see some call writing was also there, and also here put writing was there. So this is also indication and bullish sign for Bank Nifty and Nifty as well. Now pivot level for the Nifty is 10,400. This is going to be the pivot level. Above this Nifty will try to touch 10,500 and 10,550 and 10,600. Below this Nifty will try to test 10,300. So this is the pivot level, and OI and other data it looks bullish. Now we'll go towards our blog and check out the other data like Maxpan and PCR and trend cycle for Bank Nifty and Nifty as well. Here we have the Maxpan. It has increased for the Bank Nifty and also for Nifty. This is simply indicates the bullishness on this, and also here we can see some bullishness on PCR as well. However, something to cautious on here Bank Nifty. See the huge weakness from here to here. Today we have witnessed some long, still the other cycles are weak. Now on Nifty we can see still short cover. There is no fresh long in Nifty, so this is a sign of cautious because both the indices are moving in different direction. One is showing bullishness, other is showing range bound or something. So this is thing to cautious, and this is all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.